the first thing you say when you walk my way is hello, maybe.
Hello again, all my HGKs. We are back again with another video. This video I will be showing you guys how I do my quick to-go style. I'm sure every natural has, or anybody has, a quick to-go style where they can just do to their hair. Most people have a bun, most people have a low bun, you know, two pigtail little puff balls. Mine is my puff. I just put that thing, slick, tie, bobby pins, and you go. That's really about it. I'm gonna be showing you guys the utensils that I use, the hair gel that I use, and I think that's all. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, boom, comment, like, and also go follow me on Instagram. I asked all my followers on Instagram because I made this really cute $15 long ponytail, and I asked everyone on Instagram and also my followers on Twitter, do they want to see that, how I made it and everything. So please let me know. It's at Her Golden Kinks, same as my YouTube name, at Her Golden Kinks. I put it right, at Her Golden Kinks. So that's my Twitter and that's my Instagram. So please go follow. Let's get into this video.
Pretty woman, pretty girl, pretty fat. black woman hit me feeling like I'm 35.